What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a 10-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our Goat FX, creating our first guideline, contouring it to his head shape. You always want to make sure you contour this guideline to their head shape so that the fade can flow better. It also makes the fade more unique to their head shape. You want to always stretch the skin with your opposite hand when balding out so that the teeth of the trimmer doesn't feed in the pore. Don't be afraid to move the ear with your opposite hand when needed. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our shave stick and apply it to the skin. This is so he doesn't bump up, and also it makes the shave glide a lot better. Now that we're done applying the shave stick, we can move on to our babyless foil shavers and remove the stubble. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you want to check out my Instagram, it's right down below in the right corner. Now that we're done creating our first guideline and removing the stubble, we can move on to our OA blade and create our second guideline. This is equivalent to our no guard all the way open, so you always want to make sure you make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. Now that we're done creating our second guideline with the OA blade, we can move on to our 4-op and attack that initial guideline. The 4-op is equivalent to the trimmers or the no guard all the way closed. Now we're moving on to our 3-op blade, and this is equivalent to our no guard midway. This blade is helping us blend into the OA, which is equivalent to our no guard all the way open. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1A blade and debulk the top. Now that we're done debulking the top with a 1/8 guard, we can move on to our 1 guard and attack our second guideline. The 1 blade is going to help us blend into the 1/8 blade on top. Now we're moving back to our 0/8 blade and we're detailing as much as possible. This is equivalent to our no guard all the way open. Now that we're done with the sides and back, we can move on to our amnesty outliners and begin to make them as crispy as possible. When I do my lineups, I'm always starting off at the middle and working my way to the sides, especially if their corners are light. Always make sure to be consistent as possible when you're lining up, and also go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to move and you won't line them up properly. You also want to make sure not to press too hard, especially if their skin is sensitive, because you could irritate them or either bite them with the teeth of the trimmer. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below of my subscriber count. I'm 100% gonna reply to it. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But before we use the razor, we're gonna apply some elegant shave gel so that the razor could glide better. When using the razor, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the blade at a 45-degree angle when you're sliding against the skin.